So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer Capital One Venture Miles over to its travel partners. When I say transfer, it's essentially converting Capital One Venture Miles over to airline miles or hotel points. It's how you earn airline miles or hotel points without ever flying or staying in a hotel. First thing you need to know is that you need a Capital One Venture card that has the ability to transfer points out to its transfer partners. The Capital One cards that earn Capital One miles that you can transfer out to its transfer partners: the Capital One Venture Rewards, the Capital One Venture X, the Capital One Venture One, Spark Miles for Business, and the Spark Miles Select for Business. You need to have one of these cards to be able to transfer Cap One miles out to its transfer partners. Once you earn Capital One miles on these cards, log into your Capital One account. Once you're logged in, you want to click on View Rewards. You're taken to this page and you want to find Convert Rewards. I think it's funny how they say Convert Rewards here, but they also call it transferring points down below it. Transferring points is essentially the same thing as converting points. That will take you to this page and it'll show you all the transfer partners for Capital One miles. There's 18 in total, 15 airlines and 3 hotel programs. If you click on the loyalty program, it'll show you more information, and if you currently don't have a loyalty account with them, you can click on this link to enroll in an account. You need to have an account with these loyalty programs in order to be able to transfer Capital One miles over to them. So if you don't have an account, go create one, it's free. When you're ready to transfer miles, click on Transfer Miles, and this is where you want to put your membership number from the loyalty account. I'm going to go ahead and put in my Emirates account and then hit Next. On this screen, it shows you how many Capital One Venture miles that you have currently, minus the points you're planning to transfer, and that's how many Capital One Venture miles you're going to have remaining. In the box down below, you can specify how many Capital One Venture miles you want to transfer. You need to transfer in 1,000-mile increments. Click on Complete Transfer, and when you see this message, that means your points are on its way and going to be transferred over to your airline or hotel program. When it comes to transfer times, I like to use the upgraded points transfer partner tools, which I'll link down in the description down below. Pull up this page, it'll tell you all the transfer times for the Capital One Venture transfer partners. So that's how you transfer Capital One Venture miles over to its transfer partners. Comment below if you have any questions, and remember to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video helpful.